Hi guys, so for this week's Art with Kate project, I'm going to do a little self-portrait project. I'm going to do a little self-portrait of myself on the page, but then I'm going to kind of fill the rest of the space with abstract expressions of my emotions. So I'm going to get started drawing and we'll see what happens. So I finished what I'm calling my emotional self-concept portrait. There it is. It's essentially just like a different take on the project I did last week of the brain mapping and even like the emotional abstract drawings I was doing a few episodes ago. Just a different way to kind of express your internal portrait. I wanted to draw a self-portrait of myself, but if you don't feel comfortable doing that, you're always welcome to cut out a photo and do your emotion drawing around it. I added some acrylic paint as well and did some collaging there at the end. So it's a super mixed media. I maybe like overworked it, but I think it's pretty indicative or true to all the kind of emotions I've been feeling lately. So thanks for watching. I hope you guys try the project at home.